Hair is not long. This is the complaint of many nowadays. Of course, in the midst of so much pollution, stress and malnutrition in modern life, this is normal. If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to make your hair thicker and longer in a natural way. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons curry leaves paste in bowl. Neem, known for its medicinal properties, is an effective herb to treat hair loss. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, neem is an excellent way to curb dandruff. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourages hair growth. Add half TBSP curd. Power-packed with antibacterial properties, the curd is an excellent ingredient to keep scalp infections at bay. Moreover, it is known to reduce stubborn dandruff and itchiness. In addition, the curd is rich in vitamin B5 and D, which makes it an excellent superfood for our hair. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Olive oil is most beneficial for dry, thick hair. Advocates say it can keep hair moist and strong. Olive oil tends to weigh down thinner hair. Oily hair and scalp simply don't need the conditioning. Mix the 3 ingredients well until they form a paste of smooth consistency. Now apply this mixture on your hair root to hair length for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply it 1 time. If you use it properly, you will get good results.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.